25th in Cortez, Colorado. There's a lack of hotels. So we get to go stay at a hotel I haven't been for a while. It's the Econo Lodge. And I'm looking out of here because I know we stayed in Cortez back in the day. Pretty sure we stayed in this hotel. I remember how the pool was set up outside. No, I guess this isn't the hotel. This is technically a motel. Anyway, what's opening card stock? They said there's some sort of a medieval fair that's keeping it up, and a lot of people visiting the sites. John Alud, Moises Alou, another Ichiro, Ryan Kolesko, well, I guess we saw it. Palmero, Barry Bonds, and Jonathan Johnson, Brazil, and Ramirez. Okay. Also, was at Walgreens, and I found these on the clearance section. Found 3 of them. They were 60-70% off. They were, well, they weren't even in the clearance section. They were in the seasonal collection right below the Poppets, which I was looking. And using my teeth for this. Let's see if there's anything good in here. Got a Miggy, Tristan McKenzie. We were going to spend 2 nights, but given the lack of hotels, the lack of good hotels, we're going to go to Mesa Verde, and we are going to move on. Miguel Cabrera, Berlin Marquez, Kohei Hara, Alex Kriloff, Aaron Judge, Ian Anderson, Joey Votto, Braxton Garrett, Babe Ruth, Dylan Carlson, Roger Hornsberry, Bobby Dalbec Red, Casey Mize Artist Proof Rookie Card, Ricky Henderson, Legacy Lithographs, Anthony Rendon, Joe Adell, another Joe Adell, Tristan McKenzie, Tanner Hawk, and Tristan McKenzie. There were a lot of rookies in there. Not too bad. I like the Artist Proof Casey Mize and the Dalbec frame. Double Joe Dahl, double Tristan McKenzie. Not too bad. Anyway, that is it for the card opening today. You all have a good day.